What is light? Light is way beyond what we see. Light is for us to relate to the environment. Based upon the environment, we create feelings, create memories. Lighting design is a creative process. It is about what kind of relationship that we want the light to create with our life, with the way we live.
Our projectors harness the power of light to create a dialogue with the hearts and minds of the audience. And we pursue the truest, most authentic image, so the story comes across just as the director intended. 90% of the world's movie theaters use digital light processing projection technology. And so do we. The DLP unit is part of the optical engine that we custom design for each new projector. Tailoring light source, color wheel, and lenses to each specific model enables the optimal balance of brightness and accurate color. Early on, we made plans to adopt the industry-leading DCI-P3 wide color gamut. The DCI-P3 palette is 26% broader than the Rec. 709 specification used in HD content. This doesn't mean abandoning accuracy for artificially vibrant colors. It means more real-world colors can be displayed.
True 4K HDR requires keeping colors accurate and using a wider color gamut like DCI-P3 or even BT 2020. This is really tough.
In 2001, the BenQ brand was born, and the projector department was established. Soon, we were successfully making extra bright business projectors and projectors with vibrant, eye-catching colors. But we kept asking ourselves, what do we really believe in? After a lot of discussion, our team agreed on a single overarching goal: accuracy. Being able to accurately and faithfully reproduce the original image, that's the foundation of a great projector. In 2015, with decades of data and experience, plus the expert eye of our resident color guru, we established the BenQ Color Lab. Chris is vice chair of the Display Working Group of the International Color Consortium and an ISO TC 130 expert.
What we like to create is a company-wide color DNA, a unified visual platform for all of our products. I spent 3 years to establish a set of color specifications to be followed from the design phase to mass production. Why we want to go through all these trouble? Because we just want to do the color accuracy right.
When we talk about the truth, it has to be related to the creator, either a sculpture or a building. It has a main purpose. You don't change as a lighting designer. What is the light can do? What is the light trying to bring out? The truth. What is the true color of a tree? True color of the tree during the sunshine is one. During nighttime, it's the other. What is the true color?
In nature, colors change with the environment. The possibilities are infinite. But each film has its own distinct visual world. Our job is to reproduce those colors as accurately as possible. It starts with a strong foundation. We make 3 promises. First, to individually check that each projector meets its color space specification. Second, to calibrate the gamma curve at a stable D65 color temperature. Third, to keep the delta E color difference value under 3. Together, these form the foundation for precise, accurate color. The real difference is what comes next. Based on years of data and experience, our color lab has developed proprietary algorithms that enable stable, accurate color tracking. We first calibrate using key reference swatches. Then we gradually work outward, ensuring that hue, saturation, color temperature, and brightness maintain an ideal balance across the entire color range.
Even though all the numbers are the same, different people will interpret colors differently.
Through careful observation, number crunching analysis, and experience, our best color experts understand how we perceive commonly seen memory colors. This allows them to perform surgical adjustments that make these colors more lifelike, sometimes even exceeding the limits of a given color space. The result is stunning accuracy. But adjustments at this level take expert skill and an artist's intuition. Very few can do it well. Just like with coffee, the same green beans, roasted or brewed by different people, will produce entirely different flavors.
I believe this is a pleasant surprise that we, as a color expert, can offer to the users. This is the most artistic element in the process of developing a projector. We have complete confidence in our color accuracy, but how do we prove it? We need objective international standards to back us up. So we decided to challenge ourselves with the toughest standards in the industry, THX certification.
THX is a set of standards from world-renowned movie director George Lucas and his team.
Receiving THX certification is extremely difficult. Only less than 0.1% of all the projectors on the market can actually pass it. It requires not only excellent image quality, but also meeting the highest standard in all aspects.
We had so much experience and hard work under our belts. Each time we sent a projector to California, we were full of confidence. To our surprise, we kept getting rejected. Finally, I couldn't take it anymore, so I booked a flight to find out in person what the issues were.
Eric was at the THX office calibrating the projector all day, then on the phone problem-solving with the R&D team at night. We had 7 times the normal R&D workforce helping out. It was a true test of willpower for everyone.
A few months later, our projector was finally certified. It was the most exciting moment of my career. Our projector was one of the first 4K projectors in the world to receive THX certification.
After over 600 THX laboratory tests, more than 1,000 data point measurements, and 3 rounds of testing at THX headquarters, we finally received THX certification. It was a milestone, and it gave us even more confidence in the path we've chosen.
Lighting design is able to bring out the essence of that artwork, of that beauty.
Pursuing the most accurate, authentic color with all our abilities. Reproducing each film as it was intended to be seen. Working harder to achieve the best result. This is our commitment. This is BenQ CinematicColor.
When we sign the color specification confirmation, it's a commitment to the user and our unconditional pledge.
we gladly go the extra mile so more people can enjoy an amazing cinematic experience at home.
Authentic and true. That's the guiding philosophy and resolve behind BenQ CinematicColor.